Hi guys, it's James and welcome back to the channel for another video. So we're doing another security video on this one. This is a 2022 Hyundai i20N and we fitted the Autowatch Ghost product. Now we do an awful lot of the Ghost immobilisers. Obviously we can't show you that much in terms of what we do, how we do it, where it goes, etc, but we're going to show you the principle of how the immobiliser works in this car. So join me in the front and I'll show you how it works. Right, we're inside the car and I've just stolen the keys from whoever owns it. So I'm going to get in the car. I've no idea this has got an immobiliser fitted. It's a manual gearbox, so I'm going to put my clutch down and I'm going to start. Where is the start button? There it is. So I'm going to press the start button now and engine's going to start. Yes, here we go. Then it stalls. So basically it means that this engine is going to start and stall every single time. So let's give it a go. Maybe I just stalled it myself. Press and hold and start. Yes, excellent, we're off and we can get, okay, immobiliser's kicked in, it's not going to work. So that is the whole point of this immobiliser. Now, these immobilisers work all in different ways. It could be an engine start and then stall. It could be the engine doesn't start. It could be as soon as you leave or dip the clutch or put your foot on the brake for the auto gearbox, that it won't let you change gear, or it'll then immediately stall. So job done. At this point I'm going to press the on-off button. I'm just going to open and shut the door like so. Press the button again just to bring the ignition on. You've got the little lock symbol down here, which means the car is secured by the factory immobiliser. I'm going to enter the code that we've just set up for demo purposes, but you're not going to see it anyway. On the dashboard, you're going to get a little double flash, which is where the little green headlight symbol is up there. And as soon as we do that, we then start the engine and it stays running. There you go. So simple. This is the Ghost Immobiliser. This is a 2022 Hyundai i20N. If you've got any vehicle that you want to keep secure and you're unsure what to get, you don't want some unsightly thing on the steering wheel or an alarm fitted that possibly goes off in the middle of the night, this is the Ghost Autowatch Immobiliser. We do lots of them. We're based down in Poole, Dorset. We do a very good job, hence the reason why we're busy. But website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and family and have a good day.